our third example. So, if you didn't know, coffee is made using coffee grounds and water. You put coffee grounds in the coffee maker, you put water in the coffee maker, hot water goes through the coffee grounds, and it becomes coffee. To go on, Jasmine makes her coffee using 2 tablespoons of coffee and 8 cups of water. Michaela makes her coffee using 3 tablespoons of coffee and 11 cups of water. Who makes their coffee stronger? There's probably, right off the top of my head, I can think of 3 different ways to solve this. Let's do it like the second part of example 1. So let's say how much coffee grounds is she using per cup of water? So we've got Jasmine. Jasmine is using 2 tablespoons per 8 cups. And we want to know how many tablespoons that is. Oops, not teaspoons, tablespoons that is for 1 cup. So again, we can cross multiply. You get 2 times 1, which is boring, it's 2. 8 times x, which is almost as boring, it's 8x, and then we have to divide by 8. So we'll just say 2 divided by 8. And 2 divided by 8 is 1/4, or 0.25. So she's doing 0.25 tablespoons. Well, actually, we're not going to use our units here. X would be 0.25. So she's using 1/4 of a tablespoon for each cup of coffee. Now we've got Michaela. Okay, Michaela's using 3 tablespoons of coffee for 11 cups of water. Again, I'm going to change my variable because it's a different answer in the same question. And I want to know how much is that in 1 cup of coffee. Okay, because if we can compare how much she puts in each cup, then we know who puts in more. So again, 3 times 1 is 3 equals 11y. I'm going to have to divide both sides by 11, so I just get 3 divided by 11 like I had before. And if I take 3 and I divide it by 11, then I get 0.27 repeating. 0.27 is enough. We're just going to round it. So if I'm looking here, who's putting more coffee in their water? Well, Jasmine's using 1/4 of a tablespoon for 1 cup. Michaela's using just a tad bit more. So Michaela, they're basically equal, but Michaela makes her coffee slightly stronger. If you tried the two, you probably wouldn't tell the difference. Okay, but the fact of the matter is, Michaela has 0.02 and a bit more tablespoons of coffee in each cup. There are the practice problems you can do on the bottom, and that is all.